I look like a clown. How's it going, guys? It's your boy, That Brown Boy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new to my channel, please make sure to go down below and hit the subscribe button. Comment, be a part of the family. So as you can see by the title, yes, I've got my girlfriend here with me and she's going to be doing my makeup. I'm so excited for this video. She's never too into makeup, while I'm a dumbass in makeups as well. I don't know what goes where and where goes what. I don't know anything about makeup at all. So my lovely girlfriend here today, she's gonna try and make me look beautiful.
I'm gonna try my best.
Okay, try your best. She hardly uses them because she's beautiful as the way she is. No. But yeah, nevertheless, let's crack on with this video and let's see how it goes. Yeah, so what's the first thing that you're gonna put on me?
I'm gonna put some base. I don't know
what is this.
Really dark.
So that's the foundation.
Foundation.
I don't know if you can see that good. There you go, it's focused. So do you think that's too much? No. Anyway.
I don't know how this is gonna look with the
Just make me
with your hairy face.
My hairy face. What, do you want me to shave as well?
Well, yeah, actually.
Shut up, never. I'm never gonna do that. Never in my life. I did it once, I looked like a baby. For guys out there, if you have a beard, never try to take it off because you're gonna look like a baby.
Some guys look good without the beard.
Some, but most of the guys look better with the beard.
Yeah?
A living proof right here. So what goes next? What's that?
This is the concealer for the eyes. Okay. This is gonna be extra. It's gonna be extra white for you.
Yes, that's a makeup challenge, isn't it? Just go for it.
You don't even have the
eyelashes or what? The eye bag? I think because of the beard, it's gonna look so weird.
Of course, what do you think?
Oh god, I can't wait to see myself. What's next?
This is some powder.
Powder, okay.
I only use it in summer if it's hot.
Alright, voila.
Because if you sweat, this comes out to absorb the sweat. But I don't feel much in the UK, to be honest. Never so hot.
Yeah. I swear I cannot see anything.
What do you mean? Shiny eyes, but not in the car. Look at you in here. Come
There
on.
I can see.
Come to a closer shot. Wait. You should be quite happy that I don't use makeup.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Because I'm seeing that it's open. Open and look up.
Okay, what's next? Oh my goodness, what is this?
That is the reason why I never wear makeup.
I look sexy as fuck. I could be a nice boyfriend or a nice girlfriend to someone. I swear I would have done much better makeup on you rather than you doing a makeup on me.
I tried. I told you I'm not good.
You did try your best. Well, what do you guys think? Any good? This is a Halloween special from you. Oh my god. There you go, guys. That's my makeup done by my girlfriend. I think she's done a really good job. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know down in the comments below if you want me to do a makeup on my girlfriend. That would be really good. If you like this video, make sure you like it, share it with your friends, families, and anyone you want, basically. Don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so whenever I upload, you guys will be the first to be notified. Peace.